And in a sensational development over Vinesh's disqualification, Vinesh's uncle Mahavir Fogart has slammed Congress leader and former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda over his statement that Vinesh should have been made a Rajya Sabha MP if they had the majority, calling it a political stunt. Mahavir Fogart has questioned why Geeta Fogart and Babita Fogart, the sisters of Vinesh Fogart, were not made the members of parliament when Bhupinder Singh Hooda was actually in power. Listen in.
देखिए जो 2005 में और 2010 में जब कॉमनवेल्थ गेम हुआ था उस टाइम जो है बबीता ने जो सिल्वर मेडल लिया था, गीता ने गोल्ड मेडल लिया था। जो पहली रेसलर थी जो हिंदुस्तान की जिसने जो कॉमनवेल्थ में गोल्ड मेडल लिया। उसके बाद में जो 2024 में 12 में जो पहली महिला रेसलर थी जो गीता जो ने ओलंपिक क्वालिफाई किया रेसलिंग में। जब हुड्डा की सरकार थी, जब उस टाइम जो डीएसपी लगनी थी, जो खेल नीति बनाई थी उसने, तो उस टाइम गीता और बबीता दोनों डीएसपी लगनी थी। लेकिन हुड्डा साहब ने जो भेदभाव करके इनको जो ने गीता को तो इंस्पेक्टर लगाया और बबीता को सब इंस्पेक्टर लगाया, जबकि वह कोर्ट के थ्रू मैंने केस डाला और केस से जो है वो डीएसपी का पद के ऊपर जो कोर्ट ने जो है उसको उस पर संज्ञान लिया। तो आज जो हुड्डा साहब कहते हैं जो उसमें जो भेजना चाहिए, तो वो कोई दूर नहीं। जो हुड्डा सरकार में जो गीता थी, जो पहली महिला थी, जो कई जो अपने रिकॉर्ड बनाए, तो उस टाइम गीता को क्यों नहीं जो हुड्डा साहब ने जो राज्यसभा में भेजा। इसकी तो पूरी जो सरकार थी।
क्या आपको लगता है कि राजनीति स्टैंड है?
बिल्कुल राजनीति स्टैंड है। जो आज सरकार होती तो कोई नहीं लगाता, ना करता। ना हुड्डा की सरकार रही थी उस टाइम, ना गीता लगाई ने, ना भेजी ने, ना उस टाइम जो गीता को जो चर्चा में थी खूब। उस टाइम इसने जो राज्यसभा में भेजी थी गीता को, इसने जो डीएसपी तक नहीं बनाया जो कोर्ट से आई है। तो अब आज हुड्डा साहब ये कैसे कह रहे हैं?
Let's now go back to my colleague Niyamika, who continues to be with us on this story. Niyamika, soon after this comment by Bhupinder Singh Hooda, former Chief Minister of Haryana, wherein he said that Vinesh deserves the vacant Rajya Sabha seat, and if he had the power, of course, he would have done it. And there you have a reaction coming from Mahavir Fogart, uncle of Vinesh Fogart, calling it a political stunt.
Well, indeed, we also need to remember that the Haryana Assembly elections are also coming in, and that can be a political stunt on the part of these political parties regarding the disqualification of Vinesh Fogart, because the manner in which all the politics is going on regarding this entire issue. On one side, we have seen that how an announcement was being made by the Haryana government in which they have said that that all kind of assistance will be provided to Vinesh Fogart in the same manner in which these facilities are being given to a silver medalist. On the other side, the opposition is continuously questioning the central government. They are also demanding that there should be a proper reply which should be given by the central government, that what kind of investigation is being done, the manner in which they are saying that there can be a conspiracy behind this disqualification of Vinesh Fogart. On the other side, now it is Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who is the former Haryana Chief Minister. He has made an announcement and he has said and demanded, in fact, that that Vinesh Fogart should be sent to Rajya Sabha. As all of these statements which are coming in right now from all the political parties can be said that this can be in view of the upcoming assembly elections only, to woo the voters. The manner in which all of these leaders are standing up, they are making statements. It can be said as we have also listened to the statement.
Niyamika, thank you for the moment
by the
for
uncle
joining
of
us.
Vinesh
We'll keep
Fogart, in
coming
which she
back
has
to you
mentioned that
for more on this. We have some